Update time for the race for the JFF presidency. First things first, former JFF General Secretary, Mr. Horace Reed, says he will definitely not be running for the presidency. Not this time around. Mr. Reed said his mind is made up because he has unfinished business with his current employers, CONCACAF. Plus, he wants his own mandate in order to implement his own radical vision for the advancement of the nation's football. But according to Mr. Reed, he shall return when the time is right. Now that for me is a big game changer and could prove to be a crucial development for the overall fortunes of the football. Reasons being, the nation's football is in a very delicate state right now. It just lost its inspirational leader of over 2 decades. The federation is facing hundreds of millions of dollars in debt. Sponsorship has dried up. The senior team is going through a rebuilding process. The football right now is crying out for new vision, new life, and new direction. If we're not careful, things could easily water down right back to rock bottom. So if it is true that the parish presidents are closing ranks, effectively shutting out all the outsiders, such as Chris Daring, Craig Butler, Gary Sinclair, Howie McIntosh, etc., and Mr. Reed is not running, that means the president for the next 2 years until the next official vote in Congress will come from Danny Beckford, Michael Ricketts, and maybe Raymond Anderson. Now, where is the new vision and new life that these long-time insiders bring? You all realize that we could very well see the current interim president giving way after 60 days to basically another interim president for 2 years. On that note, may I take an interim break till tomorrow. See ya.